we have to let f of x equal x squared plus 5 and g of x equal x cubed plus x squared minus x minus 1. Now we must find the following. A, f plus g with the input of 1. B, f minus g with the input of negative 2. C, f times g with the input of 0. And D, f divided by g with the input of 1. Now, A, which is the f plus g with the input of 1, what you want to do is put your problem down. You have to have the x squared plus 5 plus the x cubed plus x squared minus x minus 1. And then you want to put your input into where each x goes. And then you simplify. So your 1 squared is going to be 1, your 1 cubed is going to be 1, and then once again 1 squared is going to be 1. Simplify all your likes, and then you get 6. For B, the f minus g with the input of negative 2, you're going to do the same. You want your x squared plus 5 minus your g of x. Now remember, use parentheses for your g of x because you need to follow through with the negative to each one. So you want to put your negative 2 squared plus 5 minus your negative 2 cubed, negative 2 squared, and then your negative 2. Input all those. Then you want to find all of them and simplify. Come down here, simplify, and then from here you're going to take your negative minus your 9, and that's going to become a positive 9, and then your negative plus and your positive 6 is going to become a negative 6. Then simplify, then simplify. You get 12. Alright, for the next one, C, which is f times g with the input of 0, you want do the same as we've been doing with the rest. You want x squared plus 5 times, keep those in brackets, times your g of x, which is the x cubed plus x squared minus x minus 1. And then you put in your 0 where all your x's are. And then you simplify. And then you simplify again. And you get negative 5. Now for D, you are dividing your f by your g with the input of 1. So you lay it out like this. Your f of x and your g of x, and then you put your 1 in for all the x's, and then you simplify, and then simplify again. And now what you're going to end up with is your 6 over 0, which you cannot divide by 0, so the answer is going to be undefined. And that is it. That is how you find them.